Hello beautiful people. In this video, I wanted to share with you a new beauty product that I have added to my weekly routine. As I gain weight and lose weight and my age seems to mature, I see some change in my jawline along with my puffy chin. So I was sent this neat non-surgical mask that I use 3 to 5 times a week to tighten those areas. It is the Jusron V-Line Mask Chin Up. While I unpack this and show you the product, I wanted to start by telling you how you can win a free mask as well. All you need to do are follow these few instructions. Watch the video in its entirety, subscribe, and leave a comment. Unfortunately, this is only for the US subscribers. Now let's go ahead and get into viewing the rest of this product unboxing, and I'm going to show you how it works. Here you can see my jawline where it needs to be a little bit more snatched. And then my puffy chin. Now let's go ahead and put on the mask. Tuck it under your chin, and then you're just going to go ahead and Velcro the top like such. Make sure you tuck your ears into the little slots on the sides. Make it very comfortable. And then you're going to Velcro the back to secure the mask around your head. As you can see, where your ears are, it's nice big slots to make it nice and comfortable. Then you have the black energy blocks on the side. Those will actually conduct heat to reduce the fat and burn the fat on your chin. Make sure it is nice and comfortable and not too far up on your neck. And you're going to wear this 3 to 5 times a week for about 60 minutes. So guys, don't forget to leave your comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow the rules, and I will be choosing 5 winners. Thanks again for watching. Bye.